For this part of the training, we are going to be taking a look at what you should consider, that's look out for before considering even buying any PLR products. So the first thing you should consider before buying any PLR product is who is the creator. Now, there are a lot of persons already, I'm not going to be mentioning names here, there are a lot of persons already renowned, or website or platforms like the ones I already showcased to you that are well known, and they are renowned and recognized for housing or producing or creating quality top premium PLR products. So and other person just get from them and piece it up and start selling same PLR product depending on the rights that they have. Now, this doesn't mean that somebody new cannot just come up with a really good premium quality products, but the thing is that there are persons that already know. There are some persons that once I see their products and they are on the JVZO platform, they are on the Warrior Plus platform, I know that they are going to deliver quality products. So the creator or the vendor is very, very important. So you should consider the person. If you don't know the person, you can just pick the names and go online and search out and find out about the person. Oftentimes a company or a brand would want to protect their image, want to protect their good name, and we never ever sell any PLR that is not of premium quality. Now, after considering the creator, the next thing you should consider is the quality of the PLR product. Now, we are all humans, and there have been some top sellers that they pushed out a PLR product that was not really up to par compared to what they have been selling prior then before. So you should check out the quality of the PLR products, and this is not difficult to do. You run through the time, that's the number, that's the duration of the PLR. If it's a PLR product that is on a very deep topic, something like WordPress, that's everything relating to WordPress, creating a WordPress website, and you are looking at it, it's just 30 minutes PLR on something or Shopify, and the time is not equivalent, the time doesn't look real. Of course, that's like a very low quality PLR because it is not really detailed. So you check out the topics, the title, and the graphics, the check, everything relating to the PLR. You just from at a glance you should be able to find out if yes, this PLR is of high quality. Then you should consider the rights. Now, these are the things that I personally look out for before even buying into any PLR. So what are the rights? So we have before now we have seen the right that comes along with the various PLR formats. So if you are buying, depending on what you want to use the PLR for, if you just want to learn and because it's really affordable, you are okay with personal use, right, then go ahead and get it. But if you want to repurpose and rebrand and sell, then you should be looking at unrestricted rights, PLR rights, and white label, so that you can totally rebrand the product and turn it into something new and unique. Then that takes us to, is the product really easily rebrandable? There are some products like some apps that you cannot rebrand it because it doesn't come with the source code, and there is no rebrandable software app that comes with it. So it is going to come with the name of the original creator. Such apps, I really don't fancy them, because any person that is using the app is going to fall back to the original owner for support, and that's where the marketing starts. So I don't really buy that, because you don't know what, not just about the other person marketing to your clients, but you don't know the reputation, the kind of product that is going to be promoted to your clients or buyers. So also I consider what format is it in. Is it does it come with presentation, PowerPoint presentation? Does it come with graphics? Does it come with sales pages? Does it come with email copies or email sequences? So I check out all these things. Or is it a video? Is it an ebook? Or is it an app? Or is it all of them in one bundle pack? So all these things are factors you should consider even before buying into any kind of PLR. Then very, very, very important, how many people have access to it. Now, if for a PLR product you have thousands of people that are buying into it, of course they are marketers. Before you know it, the product is going to be like everywhere, and every Tom, Dick and Harry owns a copy. Half the time people are just too lazy, and everyone is lazy, but some people are just too lazy and they don't have the time to repackage it, and everyone is just selling it as it is. It is a good method of promoting, of selling PLR, but everyone's selling it as it is reduces the value. So you consider all these before buying into any PLR. So I'm going to stop here for now. So when we come back for the next training, we are going to be looking at the secret of making any PLR work for you. So thank you and God bless. See you in the next training.